100 dreams a minute, and deep inside what I construct. So there's no use, don't even bother. Tonight is not the night for us. I have a million shapes to vacate. I'm past the point of no return. So don't even call on me to bother, 'cause I can make you my concern. I'm running faster than before. These intense and numbers cannot hold me back no more. I work alone. Is this all I'll ever know? And I remember all my childhood